In this video, we're designing a logo for one of the most talented and talked about NFL players in the league right now, the dynamic, the elusive, the gifted Lamar Jackson. So stay tuned to check it out. Peace.
And you can kiss him goodbye. Touchdown.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Rel. We finna design a logo for Lamar Jackson. This idea came to me because he's one of the most talented and gifted players in the league, and I like watching him play. I watched him play in high school, watched him play in college, and it's been amazing to watch his journey. One of my favorite players, so I figured why not design a logo for him. Before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with a family member or a friend. Let's get started. These are some of the words I've used to describe Lamar Jackson and help me design this logo. Dynamic, explosive, agile, versatile, electric, athletic, elusive, talented, innovative, resilient, and quarterbacky.
I want my quarterbacks to be quarterbacky.
Yes, we petty over here. The type of logo I want to design for Lamar is sleek, clean, modern, multifunctional, and innovative. I really want to create something that can go on any platform. You can notice it from long distances, up close, far away. You know how we get down over here. Be sure to remember this logo will be available on my website, 86visions.com/shop. It will not have any likeness or anything to do with Lamar, but it will be available on the website. So let's talk about these sketches that I've designed up real quick. They're horrible, but you know, we finna see what's up. All right, as you see, it's really nothing in here that looks worth the damn. I'm sorry. I was trying to sketch with a pen. I hate sketching with pens. I like to use pencils. That way I can erase, I can move around. I have more freedom, more functionality with pens or with pencils and paper. But I didn't have that, so I was just over there just messing around. But I feel like we're still gonna be able to come up with something dope for him. I'm probably not gonna use any of these. If I do, I'll just use them for inspiration. My personal favorite right here is this one, just because of the J and L. Obviously his name is Lamar Jackson, not Jamar Laxon. I get it. I want to use that as inspiration on how I can stack up the letters and use and implement a football in there as well. So I think what we're gonna do is I want to incorporate a butterfly in this logo somehow, because watching him grow as a player and watching him evolve as a player since high school to the NFL now, it's been amazing to watch. And his skill set, he continues to work. He makes the main thing the main thing. You don't see him on a bunch of commercials. You don't see him out here doing a bunch of stupid shit. He's always just in the lab working, and you can see it on the field. When I think of growth and I think of evolution, I think of a butterfly. You start off in a cocoon, you know, and you evolve over time, and you know, you become this amazing thing that can fly and can do so many things. But you had to go through a period of growth and discomfort and potentially haters. I think that's Lamar Jackson's story. So we're about to get into this logo design. Let's get started. Thank y'all for checking out the design aspect of this video. Let's get started on the iterations. All right. Idea number one, it's a horizontal 8. It also has 8 different pieces in it to represent his jersey number, as well as it has an L and a J in it. The triangles in the middle that are split in half represent a dual threat as a quarterback. I thought that was a dope concept, but as I kept designing this, I realized it had too much going on, so I started to dumb it down a bit. Idea number two is the more dumbed down version. I removed the triangles on the side. I wanted it to represent a butterfly as well because of his growth as a quarterback and athlete, like I previously mentioned. I feel like watching him in high school, then at college, And now in Baltimore, he's overcome a lot of stigmas, a lot of hate and doubt. It also takes a lot of growth to get to where he's at, and I felt like removing the triangles on the side made this look like butterfly wings. So I wanted to represent that in the butterfly aspect of the design. The final version, I dumbed it down all the way because minimalism is my thing. And again, I'm always preaching on here that you need to create a multifunctional logo. And so I was thinking the previous versions were not that. However, this version is. I kept the figure 8. It still has a butterfly effect, and you can now see more pronounced L and a J. I like this version the best. Y'all let me know which one is your favorite, and also let me know who you're going for, the Chiefs or the Ravens, for tonight's game. Y'all have a great week. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace.